So here am I actually maintaining an aquarium in which I have actually built, designed, installed, and is now in charge of upkeep. Now this is the Aqueon Bubble One, right? Only one fault I have with it, as as a decoration and as a means of aeration for your aquarium, and that is, after a while, well, this aquarium have not been maintained for a while, right? But after a while, what you find is that because these are lights, right? These lights are submerged into the aquarium. What you find is that the light, after a while, it becomes green, and if you are not careful and you're using water that is hard, the greenness of the water, well, algae, should I say, that goes around the bulb. Yes, this is the bulb, right? What will happen is that after a while, the algae, along with the hard water, calcifies on the bulb itself, and the bulb gets a little bit dim, and it looks as if, like when you see somebody and they really want to go to the dentist to actually have a good clean. That's how it looks. So right now, what I'm gonna have to do is to use this scrubber, yes, to actually scrub the Aquarium Bubble One light. Other than that, I have no qualms, no problem with it, as it actually aerates and enlightens my aquarium setup. Yeah, I record now. So here I'm at come down low. Actually scrubbing. So I'm actually scrubbing the Bubble One light, LED light bulbs, so as to get it looking good again. As I said before, as you can see, because in Jamaica we have 70% limestone. What you find is that water, no matter where you go, it tends to be a little hard, right? There are buffering agents in which it actually placed in the water so as to condition the water so that it can be appropriate for a fish. Now with the water and the light that is constantly on in the aquarium, what you find is that the green thing around the light is a mixture between hard water and algae itself, right? So I am actually gonna have to be doing this for a while, and this is my regular routine in actually maintaining an aquarium with lighting like this. Now some persons might prefer external lighting. I think depending on the fish that you have, you would either do external lighting or internal lighting. The Bubble One, it looks good, right? But it has its issues, right? And I just felt as if it's necessary for me to share that with you. So this is a 21-inch white LED Bubble One that was actually in, and is still going to be placed in the centi-gallon inch I made a few months ago. So here it is again. It's looking all good, right? So this is the white one, and this is the blue one. The blue one has not been washed as yet. It's looking as if, as I said before, it needs to go to the dentist. So it needs a good cleaning. Thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.